Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best toolbox drawer liners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Duck brand Select Grip EasyLiner Shelf and Drawer Liner. This popular simple non-slip drawer liner has grip bottom cushions to help prevent sliding. It's machine washable and easy to cut and reposition. The smooth, non-slip surface is completely PVC-free and very lightweight. Because the EasyLiner line was designed for any type of shelf, it's available in various colors, allowing you to pick a liner that matches your tool chest's paint scheme or use your favorite color to make things more personal. This liner works really well in a wide variety of environments. While it might not be as durable in a commercial or industrial setting, owners who use this in their home garage have reported excellent results. They have also noted the surface doesn't feel tacky or sticky at all, unlike similar liners. The surface has very small breathing holes, so moisture will seep through instead of remaining in contact with your tools. All in all, this is probably the best cheap drawer liner you'll find, but if your budget allows, go with one of the more heavier duty options above. Number 2. Our second best pick is B&C Home Goods Toolbox Liner. Possibly the best heavy-duty tool chest liner on the market, this foam mat is easily cut and modified, yet thick enough to support even your heaviest tools. Its textured grip is non-adhesive for easy repositioning without causing the liner or tools to slide around. It protects against bacteria and corrosion, is wrinkle-resistant, and can be wiped down quickly when dirty. Users almost overwhelmingly claim this is the best drawer lining material they've owned. They report that this product doesn't slide in situations where their previous drawer lining material failed. Its heavier weight has helped prevent tools from moving, even when owners of this product are wheeling their tool chest around the garage. A few have been so impressed with this product, they have chosen to use it in other parts of the home. Because this liner is almost twice as thick as others, those with low-profile drawers who are limited on vertical space may want to go with another liner. Number 3. Our third best pick is Reizen Tech Max Tough Toolbox Liner. This approximately 0.12 thick tool drawer liner comes in a roll large enough to cover most tool cabinets and comes in 2 depths 1/6 and 1/8. The non-slip surface ensures tools will stay in place, even with drawers constantly being opened and closed. Its thick, durable material features grid lines for easier measuring and cutting. You can easily wipe down the surface when needed, and the product is covered by a 100% hassle-free satisfaction warranty when purchased directly from the company. Quite a few of those who purchased this liner did so because of the grid lines. They strongly suggest going over the chosen line with a Sharpie, as it's easy to accidentally cross-cut into the next line when using scissors. While thicker than most of our other selections, users have noted that tools sink in a little more, allowing for a better grip. There are very few problems encountered with this liner. A few have complained about sliding, although they have not reported if the drawer was metal, wood, or plastic. Another issue is that the toolbox liner material isn't always cut precisely, leaving the grid lines a little off-center. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EPPCO Enterprises 1864 Toolbox Liner. This simple, high-quality tool drawer liner is made of high-quality, non-slip materials to help keep your tools in place. The 0.8 thick liner is the thinnest on our list but still plenty thick to protect your tools and drawers. It's resistant to dirt and dust, and you can quickly wipe it clean as needed. Not only will this product help keep your tools in place, but it holds up well during extended use without being difficult to cut when fitting it to your drawer. The rubbery foam material is tacky but not sticky. Many reports have shown the liner to be holding up after 1 or 2 years of use with little or no signs of wear. The 2.4-inch liner is wider than anything out there, making it the best liner for very deep drawers. Oddly enough, this liner works well on metal surfaces, but those who have used it on wooden surfaces complain that it moves around a bit too easily. While most have not experienced any issues with this liner, a handful of reported product flaws ranged from arriving stretched or torn to the surface being uneven when placed. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is professional-grade high-grip Toolbox drawer liner. Capable of covering 6 standard-size drawers per roll. The slightly tacky surface can help prevent tools from sliding around and is resistant to acid, dirt, and grease. You can easily wipe or wash the surface clean, and a reinforced scrim running through the center adds durability and resistance to tears. Those who have purchased this tool chest liner were pleased with how the liner material held up and how easy it was to cut. They noted that tools will still move around a bit if a portable toolbox is jostled around a lot, as the tools tend to be held in place by indentations made by their weight. In stationary chests or cabinets, the drawers can be opened and closed rapidly without risk of dislodging the contents. Your screwdriver sizes and wrenches will be where you left them. There are very few complaints about this liner, although a few have had issues with it being too sticky at first. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.